Wala. Do not talk to me about my duty as president. Magtanong kayo. And for this, sabi ko, I'm ready to be impeached. I'm ready to resign if warranted. And kung may mamatay dyan, ayaw mag-surrender, maybe I should also go to prison. And I will have my computation done properly at the time of my release.
So, sir, what is the liability of file doon po?
Alam mo, kung sinunod lang niya ako, wala nang problema. Sabi niya na tumawag si Bong upon orders of the President. Kasi bakit si Bong? Bakit si Senator Bongo? Kasi siya ang nakakilala sa lahat. Alam ko siya yung tao na mautusan ko yung gabi na